Your heart is one of the most important organs in your body. It works hard every single day to keep you alive. But did you know that some foods can harm your heart? Yes, certain foods are like poison for your heart. They can increase your risk of heart disease, high blood pressure, and other serious health problems. Today, we will talk about 6 foods that are very bad for your heart. These foods are so harmful that top cardiologists, heart doctors, around the world are warning people to avoid them. Let's dive in and learn more. 1. Sugary drinks, soda, energy drinks, and sweetened juices. Sugary drinks like soda, energy drinks, and sweetened juices are very bad for your heart. These drinks are loaded with sugar. For example, 1 can of soda can have up to 10 teaspoons of sugar. That's a lot of sugar for your body to handle. When you drink too much sugar, it can lead to weight gain, high blood pressure, and diabetes. All of these problems put extra stress on your heart. Over time, this can damage your heart and increase your risk of heart disease. What's worse, sugary drinks don't make you feel full. So, you end up drinking a lot of calories without realizing it. This can lead to obesity, which is another big risk factor for heart problems. What to do instead? Drink water, herbal teas, or unsweetened beverages. If you want something sweet, try adding a slice of lemon or orange to your water for natural flavor. 2. Processed meats, hot dogs, sausages, bacon, and deli meats. Processed meats are another big no-no for your heart. These include foods like hot dogs, sausages, bacon, and deli meats like ham and salami. These meats are often high in salt, unhealthy fats, and preservatives. The high salt content in processed meats can raise your blood pressure. High blood pressure is a major risk factor for heart disease. The unhealthy fats in these meats can also increase your cholesterol levels, which can clog your arteries and lead to heart attacks. What to do instead? Choose lean meats like chicken or turkey. You can also try plant-based proteins like beans, lentils, or tofu. These options are much healthier for your heart. 3. Fried foods, French fries, fried chicken, and potato chips. Fried foods like French fries, fried chicken, and potato chips are very tempting, but they are terrible for your heart. These foods are usually cooked in unhealthy oils that are high in trans fats. Trans fats are the worst type of fat for your heart. They can raise your bad cholesterol, LDL, and lower your good cholesterol, HDL. Eating too many fried foods can also lead to weight gain and inflammation in your body. Inflammation can damage your blood vessels and increase your risk of heart disease. What to do instead? Try baking or grilling your food instead of frying it. For example, you can make baked sweet potato fries or grilled chicken. These options are much healthier and still delicious. 4. White bread, pasta, and rice. White bread, pasta, and rice are made from refined grains. Refined grains have been stripped of their fiber and nutrients. When you eat these foods, your body quickly turns them into sugar. This can cause a spike in your blood sugar levels, which is bad for your heart. Eating too many refined grains can also lead to weight gain and increase your risk of diabetes. Both of these conditions are bad for your heart. What to do instead? Choose whole grains like whole wheat bread, brown rice, and whole grain pasta. Whole grains are rich in fiber, which helps keep your heart healthy. Fiber can also help you feel full, so you eat less and maintain a healthy weight. 5. Packaged snacks, cookies, crackers, and chips. Packaged snacks like cookies, crackers, and chips are often loaded with sugar, salt, and unhealthy fats. These snacks are designed to be addictive, so it's easy to eat too much of them. The high sugar and salt content in these snacks can raise your blood pressure and cholesterol levels. The unhealthy fats can also increase inflammation in your body, which is bad for your heart. What to do instead? Choose healthier snacks like fresh fruits, nuts, or yogurt. These options are much better for your heart and overall health. 6. Margarine and shortening. Margarine and shortening are often used as substitutes for butter. However, they are not healthy for your heart. These products are often made with trans fats, which are very bad for your heart. Trans fats can raise your bad cholesterol and lower your good cholesterol. Even if a product says it is trans fat-free, it may still contain small amounts of trans fats. These small amounts can add up over time and harm your heart. What to do instead? Use healthier fats like olive oil, avocado oil, or nut butter. These fats are good for your heart and can help lower your cholesterol levels. Why are these foods so bad for your heart? All of the foods listed above have one thing in common. They are high in unhealthy ingredients like sugar, salt, and bad fats. These ingredients can damage your heart in several ways. High blood pressure. Too much salt can raise your blood pressure. High blood pressure puts extra strain on your heart and can lead to heart disease. High cholesterol. Unhealthy fats can raise your bad cholesterol, LDL, and lower your good cholesterol, HDL. This can lead to clogged arteries and heart attacks. Weight gain. Many of these foods are high in calories but low in nutrients. Eating too much of them can lead to weight gain and obesity, which are major risk factors for heart disease. Inflammation. Sugar and unhealthy fats can cause inflammation in your body. Inflammation can damage your blood vessels and increase your risk of heart disease. Tips for a heart-healthy diet. Now that you know which foods to avoid, here are some tips for eating a heart-healthy diet. Eat more fruits and vegetables. Fruits and vegetables are rich in vitamins, minerals, and fiber. They are also low in calories, which can help you maintain a healthy weight. Choose whole grains. Whole grains like oats, quinoa, and brown rice are much healthier than refined grains. They are rich in fiber, which is good for your heart. Limit salt and sugar. Try to reduce the amount of salt and sugar in your diet. Use herbs and spices to flavor your food instead of salt. Choose fresh fruits instead of sugary snacks. Eat healthy fats. Not all fats are bad. Healthy fats like those found in olive oil, avocados, and nuts are good for your heart. Cook at home. When you cook at home, you have control over the ingredients you use. This makes it easier to avoid unhealthy ingredients like sugar, salt, and bad fats. Final thoughts. Your heart works hard for you every day, so it's important to take care of it. By avoiding the 6 foods listed above, you can reduce your risk of heart disease and keep your heart healthy. Remember, small changes in your diet can make a big difference over time. Start by cutting out one unhealthy food at a time and replacing it with a healthier option. Your heart will thank you. Stay healthy, stay happy, and take care of your heart.